So I just uploaded this new freestuff.pdf resource, this guide, right into my NotebookLM. And it gave me a briefing doc here. Now, again, this free stuff is a PDF that I purchased. It's $1. There's a link in the description. I've actually added a bonus if you pick up the rights to use this information as your own, which is the point. And the things that I've discussed here on the channel so far about NotebookLM is about pulling in resources. I even talked about using PLR before. If you haven't seen that video, check it out, link in the description, along with the link to the bonus page for this freestuff.pdf. The thing that you need to focus on here is you're putting this freestuff.pdf document into NotebookLM, and you're going to start taking notes on all these different resources that are out there that you can use for free, that you can also promote for free, or some of them you can promote for free. So the idea, the concept here is, if you step back and you look, you're adding this resource. You pick this up for $1, and you see here that the author, Val Wilson, has created a document that curates and reviews a selection of high-quality, free resources for internet marketers, including autoresponders, training materials, marketing tools, and pre-built list building funnels. The key takeaways from this document, and again, you're getting all this stuff here inside of NotebookLM, but the idea and the focus and the point is to take this to the next level. And you, as an affiliate marketer, let's say, you want to promote products in the make money online space, or you as an affiliate marketer, you're in a completely different niche. You want to learn how to actually be an affiliate marketer. Of course, you can watch all the videos here on my YouTube channel or purchase any of my training, but also step back with me for a second and look at this resource. It's $1. It's going to list a few things. Now, there's basically nothing out there that I've never heard of for free, but it does happen. There are some things out there, and I'm just kidding. There's tons and tons of things, thousands and millions of offers and things out there, free resources that I've never heard about that are very valuable. But my point is, in this $1 that I spent today, and I did buy this myself, I spent $1, and there were some things in there that I'd never seen before, or resources and or marketers that Val, the creator of this document, has recommended, and I'm going to check those out. Some of them may not be worth anything, and I will say that there was one resource in this guide that I absolutely wouldn't recommend myself, but that's not to say that you can't learn something from the person and how they do their marketing. It's just I don't like the experience that I got inside of their training, so I don't ever recommend any of their products. It is in this guide, but go back to NotebookLM and understand you're taking away, or the key takeaways that NotebookLM from this $1 that I spent is giving me this information about the author, or is giving me this information about starting out, or the key takeaway. The thing that I need to take away that I'm sharing with you is the importance of using free resources, especially when starting out internet marketing, to gain knowledge and build a foundation without significant financial investment. This is a key takeaway that, for the most part, people that watch my videos, they are trying to dip their toe in the water, and or they don't have any money to spare, and they want to get started in this online thing. So I go back to NotebookLM. This is $1 to download it. Now, I will say, to get my bonus, you have to purchase the resale rights, but honestly, that's not going to break the bank either. And then you understand that you go back into this document and you're learning these things just from this one conversation, or just from pressing this first button to give me a briefing doc on the freestuff.pdf. I'm getting these key takeaways. Then I'm going down and I'm looking and I'm seeing things that you're seeing here about the actual information and the ideas and the facts, and it's breaking them down. And one of the things is free autoresponders, and you're going to see that here. System.io, Aweber, GetResponse. You may or may not know about these, but there's some additional information in there. And you're going to be able to take these key takeaways by clicking this document. You're going to be able to have a chat, and when you click this view chat, or you go in here and you want to have a chat about internet marketing specifically, you just click on internet marketing, and you can see there the chat that I had about the autoresponders. Basically, everybody knows that you can get, or you can start with an autoresponder for free. That's not the key idea here. It's the idea of you're breaking this down into list building and understanding that autoresponders are an essential tool, and you're having this chat because NotebookLM has become an expert on it, and you're stepping back and you're saying, I spent $1, I upload this document, this freestuff.pdf, uploaded in a NotebookLM, I'm having this conversation with an expert AI, and I'm utilizing the expert information that I got from Val and the bonus that I'm getting from Gary, or that you're getting from me in the link in the description. And this truly is, right? Like, you are at the point where you can step back and you can say, I've just watched all these videos from Gary about NotebookLM. He's talking about creating information products. He's talking about finding pain points for being an affiliate for certain or different types of products, how to use it as an affiliate marketer. Now I'm saying, and this is a true statement, you can spend $1, you can download that PDF, you can upload it just like I did here inside of NotebookLM, and I just showed you, like, just scratch the surface. Literally, you can take that $1 and turn it into thousands. See what Val is doing. Operate on the idea, or pull back and say, my focus today is I'm going to spend $1, see what Val's given me, all those excellent resources that are free. I'm going to take the opportunity to really understand what Gary's talking about, and I'm going to pick up his bonus. That'll cost me a little bit more money. I'll have to invest some money in there. And then my focus switches to taking that investment and focus on the time that I need to understand the tools and the technology around NotebookLM and how this chat with this free PDF and utilizing the power baked in a NotebookLM is going to take me from spending $1 and turning that information and knowledge into thousands of dollars, and then even understanding that I can shortcut that even further by buying the rights to take this information and make it my own, rebrand the report, give it away, or break it down into chunks and turn that $1 and the additional cost, I'm going to be straight about that, to buy the license rights. Of course, you don't have to buy the license right, but hey, let's be cool, right? Val took the time to put this document together, so go ahead, buy the license rights, and then you can take this information and make it your own as you're having the chat with NotebookLM, and I'll show you what I mean in my bonus, link in the description. Thanks for checking out this video, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about PLR and the license rights, or if you think that I'm just crazy with this title and you're like, dang it, Gary, this is total clickbait. Let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate your time. Let me know what you think about this video and all the other videos here on the channel. I think I said that right. All right. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.